Show me how you hula hoop. Hoop-a-loop. How did Uncle Tom show you to do it, Aubrey? Put it at your back.
Mom, I did it.
Let's see, Brady.
See?
Yeah, go ahead.
Mommy did it.
Show me how you do it. Oh, good job.
Mommy know how.
You know how.
I know how.
Show me how Uncle Tom showed you.
Which one? Okay, here.
Good job, Aubrey.
Look. Watch me, Brady.
Good job.
Watch me, Brady.
Okay, I'm watching you. Good job. Show me again, Aubrey. Oh. Okay.
Let's keep spinning. Let's keep spinning, everyone.
Oh, you okay? All right.
Want me to do fast one? I did a fast one.
Let me see.
I did.
Good job, Kim.
I'm not going to do fast ones again. I'm a head, Mommy.
Yeah.
I'm a head.
It went on your head?
Mommy.
Can you show me how you do it again? Wow. No hitting with your hoop loop. Can you show me how you do it like Uncle Tom showed you? Okay, honey.
Mommy, what's that?
Yep.